Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. This is going to be a recap of the early stream. If you want to join me in my stream, check out the link in the description and the comments below. I do stream every day except for Sunday and some holidays. So let's actually get on with the recap. The biggest news right now is Google has signed on as a validator for Theta Network. So they're actually, it's not more than just signed on. They're actually teaming up with Theta Labs in a move meant to help the video delivery network onboard users through Google Cloud. So as part of the partnership, the tech giant is assisting Theta with its mainnet 2.0 launch, which just happened. And Theta is unique in that their video delivery network needs to both a reliable, high-performance network, which Google can provide through our premium network tier, as well as reputable node operators to ensure protocol security, which Google would actually be. Google will become the protocol's 5th external validator node. Theta Labs is staking. Now, here's a big meaty part of it. Theta Labs is actually staking 5 million Theta tokens, worth about 2.4 million at press time, for Google on the network. So Google actually owns 5 million Theta tokens. That is a new development that I did not know. And the thing is, if Theta coins go way up, Google makes money. So I think, you know what, Google owns YouTube, and YouTube would actually benefit from Theta's services, and Theta would actually get a huge boost from YouTube. So there can be some rumors to be had about Theta and YouTube. So it's definitely possible. YouTube would probably be like the biggest partnership Theta could possibly nail down. They already have one. They already have a deal with MGM to license their content, and they have partnerships with other streaming services like Samsung Streaming, because like Samsung's implementing their service into basically Android TV. But YouTube would be the 900-pound gorilla. Like YouTube, Twitch, all those people. If they work with Theta, Theta can make it really, really big. And since Google actually owns 5 million Theta coins now, and they're actually staking for Google on the network, and Google is actually helping them with the mainnet launch, I think can be respectable rumors that maybe YouTube will actually have used Theta services. Google joins the likes of Binance, Blockchain Ventures, Gome, and Gome Cryptos as external enterprise validators that propose and validate new blocks on the Theta blockchain. Eventually, Theta aims to have 31 external enterprise validators. Google Cloud is also becoming Theta's preferred cloud provider with today's announcement. So like Theta and Google are going to work closer and closer together, with Google providing Theta services and them helping the mainnet launch. Now, if Google actually has such a big stake in Theta tokens, and maybe even Theta itself, it actually is good for Google that Theta is successful. And YouTube, like I said, could use Theta services. Theta could benefit from YouTube. So I could see a collaboration there in the future. So I don't think it's like extremely far-fetched. Yes, it is still a rumor and there's no confirmation. There's no plans of this right now that we know of. But I don't think it's a super large stretch to think that YouTube could actually work with Theta in the future. And that would be a huge, huge win for Theta. So that's exciting news for Theta. The second news is the number of Bitcoins on exchanges has dropped to an 18-month low. However, the number of Ethereum on exchanges has actually risen. Generally, what this means is people are taking Bitcoin off the exchanges, which actually would signal a price rise up. Because like if less coins are on exchanges, there's less chance of a dump. Now, some of this is because of holders, but I do think there are other buyers that see after the halving that Bitcoin is on a trajectory up, so they might want to hold for the time being. Once the number of Bitcoins actually increases on exchanges, that's when you actually want to watch out, because that could actually signal a dump. I'm not really sure if this is signaling an Ethereum dump or not, because more Ethereum is actually coming onto the exchanges. And that's probably because Ethereum 2.0 kind of got delayed again. It was originally, everyone was expecting July. Now it might not be until like Q1 of next year. So people might have a temporary dump on Ethereum. I don't think Ethereum is a bad like long-term investment, but right now the number of Ethereum on exchanges is actually increasing. So you might see a shift back from Ethereum back to Bitcoin, because it looks like people like trust Bitcoin right now, and it looks like Bitcoin's being taken off the exchanges for long-term holding, which is very, very good for Bitcoin holders and very good for cryptocurrency overall. So that is the news for Bitcoin. In other news, Coinbase has actually bought Gome, and Gome is a crypto brokerage. Now, most importantly, Gome actually has a New York bit license, that coveted thing that everyone wants, but only a few people have. And Coinbase acquired them because it's like really like crypto demand, they say, is actually really up, and people are looking for new services like margin trading like futures, options, and things like that. And Gome has an increased appeal to retail trading clients and high net worth individuals. Now, Coinbase is definitely targeting those high net worth individuals. That's probably why they bought Gome. Gome has been very successful since its launch 18 months ago, and it's established itself as a reputable, regulated crypto brokerage firm. So Coinbase is buying another trustworthy company to expand its market, to expand its services, to expand its clientele, and I think Coinbase will do very well in the coming time. This also bodes very well for cryptocurrency, like just more regulation in the market, more legit trading options, more legit trading services, and maybe like people will see this and take crypto more seriously. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.